Hey YouTube, here's Heiko, working on troubleshooting some exhaust manifold leaks on a old Chevy truck. And since my buddy Elliot and I were working on this before we take it all apart and replace the manifold gasket, I want to show you a way of troubleshooting leakage in your exhaust system. Pretty simple. I'll flip the camera around and show you real quick before we proceed with our taking apart. Okay? All right, take care. All right, this is it. The old Chevy truck. It's an 88 Chevy R3500 with a 454 V8. And it makes terrible noise when you start it up. Sounds like exhaust leaks. And we have discovered a pretty simple way of identifying where those leaks are. You get your trusty shop vacuum cleaner out. Make some sort of adaptation that your vacuum cleaner hose fits into your muffler tip. Here in this case, since this is a fuel truck, the muffler ends here in the front near the front bumper. At the moment, the hose on this vacuum cleaner is connected to the suction port. We need to change that and plug it in so that it turns into a blowing vacuum cleaner. Once you have done that, you just turn this sucker on. Have a professional spray bottle with some dish soap and water in it. So you turn that on. That pressurizes your exhaust system ever so slightly. And then you're just spraying down areas where there are gaskets in your exhaust system or fittings or flanges or whatever, and wait for the bubbles to appear. And if that happens, then you know you have a leak. So on this side, manifold gasket, you can see we just put a fresh one in here, so the passenger side has already been taken care of, and I hope we're not going to see any bubbles appear on this side. The other side has not been touched, so we're going to try to see what's going on and just to share that with you. All right, I'll ask Elliot to turn it on, and I will turn on some light here. All right, there. All right, Elliot, turn it on. So now we have some pressure in the exhaust system, and then you just take your trusty bottle. Oh, now it's of course not spraying. Here we go. Oh, we got a leak. See it? This is where we just put a new gasket in, and it's already nicely bubbling along. So that was of course not planned, but of course it's a good way of checking. We still have the chance of retorquing the manifold bolts. Yeah, there's a leak right there at the corner. Yeah, zoom in right there. And then a little further down where the manifold joins the pipe down there, I can see it's bubbling along as well. I'll try to hit that a little more. Oh yeah, there's a nice big leak. Oh my goodness. See that? That's crazy. So around here looks pretty good. Only here in the front is one. The rest looks pretty bubble free. And then we have a massive one down there, right down there. All right, I guess there's still a little bit of some work left for us. There's some sneaky little leak in this air injection system I just noticed. Everything else looks pretty good. Yeah, there's a little bit. All right guys, now I'm going to show you the other side where we haven't changed the gasket, and it's going to be craziness. We discovered that this exhaust manifold was put on without a gasket by the factory. So there's a huge leak, huge. Pretty simple way of finding all your exhaust leaks, really. And it doesn't damage anything. It's very low pressure, so you're not causing any damage to the engine as you're pressurizing the exhaust system from the rear. Pretty helpful. I hope this will help someone. If you guys like those little short tech tips, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Take care. Bye.